Hi, welcome Actions, Adobe Illustrator Actions. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the action and how to apply the action and how to create or record your own action and be efficient on Adobe Illustrator. Action is very useful if you are using on Photoshop, but now action is also available on Adobe Illustrator. If you don't see this action panel, then just go to window, then make sure that this action is checked. If you don't see actions here, then you need to update your Adobe Illustrator. So this time I can just go to a new document, and here if I draw something, and Adobe Illustrator already created some actions for you. Those are default action. Here opacity is 60. If you really want to know that what is this action about, then if you click on this arrow or if you expand it, then you can see that what it is about and what are the commands inside. So here, this is the transparency will be 60 if you play this action. So here I select this action after selecting the object. Now if I play this, you can see very easy to change the opacity. But if you want to do it manually, then probably you need to go to properties, then you need to change the opacity from here. But instead of this, if you have a lot of objects on your working document, then you want to transparent some of the objects 60%. You don't have to just select and change the opacity always here, but you can just select that object and go to the action. If you just play that action, okay, now it's fine. Okay, that is a very interesting thing. Here you can see they have so many actions here, and even you can save. Suppose save for OIF PNG24. If you want to save for OIF PNG24, then probably you have to click file, then go to export, and you have to click. But instead of clicking those things, here you can see save for OIF. Here save for OIF, the format is already chosen. You can always change it later when you want to record your own action. This time if I play this one, okay, now we are here. You don't even need to press a lot of shortcut keys on the keyboard, but you just recorded it, and now you can just play this and you can get your own action. So now here, this time we will learn how to create your own action. So here, if I go to the freelancer activities, and if I want to create an action, okay, I can just click here, and here plus to create a new action, and here you can just choose a name. Okay, our action name is just color and color red. So here you can also choose a function key for that action, and you can default action here, and you can choose a color green, no problem. Now record. Now it's start recording, and when it start recording, then you can see this recorded button is grayed out. Here if I go near it, begin recording. So now this time if I change the color here, okay, we have chosen this one, red. Okay, our action is created. You can have more actions, but this time we can just stop recording. So this is our action. Now if I click this one and I want to change the color, I don't have to go to fill color again and change the color, or I don't have to go to the library or source panel. But if I click this, and now here if I select this color red, our action, and then if I just play this, the color has changed. This one, let's try. Okay, this time if I select this one and play this one, Okay, we can select more objects. Oh, it's very easy to do that now. Okay, now let's learn something new so that we can really save some time. Sometimes we need to really make different files. Suppose if you work on Etsy, or if you want to work with any clients, maybe your clients want the same file in JPG, same file in AI, same file in PDF. So you always need to go to file and save as, and then you need to select PDF or JPG. But instead of doing this, you can do this by making the action. Okay, here this time, okay, we can create another action, create new action. Okay, this one is about export PDF, JPG and PNG record. And this time if I go to file, now save as, okay, this one for PDF. Okay, save PDF. So the action is created. We are still recording. Okay, this time we can go to the save as again, but we want another one like SVG. Okay, we got the SVG here. We can go to file again. Okay, you can export it. Okay, just the JPG. Before going there, can just export it, JPG, and also PNG. File, export, export as PNG. And you just select the folder you want to export your file. You can select the same folder. I'm just showing you to save some of our time. So we can export. Now in this time, we can just stop recording. So this is our quick action now. Export PDF, JPG, PNG. Here, this time, if I go to this file and I want this file in PDF, SVG, and also JPG and PNG, then it's very easy to do. Just click this action and play this action. Now it's exported. You don't have to go to file again and save as PDF, SVG. You don't need to waste a lot of time. So this is how the action can save your time. Another thing, here, if you don't want any action, suppose here, this time I don't want, this one is for the PDF, this one is for SVG, but I don't want the PDF now. So I can play the action from here. So this time, if I play the action from here, then at the first, it will export it as SVG, then JPG, then PNG. So I can play it here. You can see it not play this one. So here, if you want to delete one action, then that is very easy. One action or one command. Suppose I don't want PNG and JPG, so I can just select this and click delete. Very easy. And you can also just make here group or set of the action. So you can give some name. Maybe you are working on a project. Just to give your project name here, project 5. Okay, now for your project 5, you can create some action, and this time you can just set where your action will be. Means here, if you select default action, then you can find your action on the default action. But here, if you select project file, then our action will be saved on this folder or on this group or on this set. Okay, you can select the color of your action. Okay, now we can just change the color. Oh, this one is JPG or SVG this time, but it's not vector. Okay, you can select this one, changing the color. Our action is created. We stop. Now we can play this action anytime. We can select this one, play this action. Very easy, right? So this is how action can make your work very faster, and you can be more efficient. You can also try the other default action, and you can try to record some action for your work, and I hope that you will find this very interesting. If you really like this video, then subscribe the channel and you can share this video with others. See you in the next video. And very soon I am going to upload some new courses on this YouTube channel in front of computer.